Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I am showing how to make beach or ocean resin coasters. Here I am using a waste coaster which I had done earlier but I did not like it, so I am just reusing it. Apply a coat of white acrylic paint on the waste resin coaster. Take some white glue and apply it as shown. This is air dry clay. Give the shape of rocks as shown. It does not have to be perfect, you can just randomly do it. Once it's dried completely, you can apply brown acrylic paint on it. You can also color the water area with blue acrylic paint. Here I am using Epocart resin, which is 3:1 ratio. You need to mix 3 parts of resin with 1 part of hardener. Apply some clear resin on the rock area and then sprinkle some grass powder. This I got it from a craft store. Apply some clear resin and then sprinkle some sand as shown. Next, I am using two different blue shades. One is the dark blue and other is the aquamarine blue. Add this blue pigment to the clear resin and mix well. Pour the dark blue and aquamarine blue as shown. For the waves, you will need white Pinata alcohol ink. So I am taking some clear resin and adding few drops of Pinata white alcohol ink to it. Add the white resin as shown and then using a straw or heat gun you can just blow it. Once it's completely dried, apply clear resin. Add the white pigment and using heat gun blow it. This is how it looks once you complete it. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.